Restoring boxgum grassy woodland habitat is notoriously difficult. What we are doing here in the Barra Hill Restoration Project is something innovative and cutting edge. We have taken trees that are hundreds of years old and have been deemed unsafe in the urban landscape and relocated them here to Barra Hill, where they have been given a second chance to stand tall, providing functional habitat for many species for decades to come. You can see these amazing trees at Barra Hill, which will form part of the soon-to-be declared Molonglo River Reserve, a recreational space that can be enjoyed and explored by residents of Canberra.